Hello everyone, KidSlam here and welcome back to another video here on the channel. Today we're going to celebrate King Boo, which we've done in the past on the channel. It all started with an inverted drawing of King Boo. From there we went to a crayon carving of King Boo. Recently we did an M&M mosaic of King Boo, but today we're going to do an Oreo cookie carving of, you guessed it, our friend, Mr. King Boo. And with that, our Oreo cookie carving of King Boo here is finished. Guys, I'm wondering, how does he look? Let me know down in the comment section. I've also left a card up here. Let me know which character we should do next. Of course, we could go back and explore some Star Wars characters. I'm also interested in doing some Rubik's Cube and Twisty puzzles. But of course, Nintendo is a great option, which I always enjoy. All of the artwork that you've seen on the channel is also for sale on my Etsy page. I'll leave the link for that as well. My name is KidSlam. I post a variety of fun and creative art content here on YouTube. Help me spread the joy of art by sharing this video, and then together we will learn the art of joy.